have an original Bessey-Miller card routine to share with you today, and I can point you to Warner Miller's contribution to this effect in the description below. So for this, you need the ace through king of diamonds and a joker as a final card. And in fact, we'll be viewing these cards as having values 1 through 14 for the joker. Okay, well, let's begin to mix the cards well. I do want to point out a secret in card magic. So when the number of piles dealt, so here I dealt out 3 piles. In fact, I'll even show you how well the cards are getting mixed. When the number of piles dealt out divides evenly into the packet size, then the performer can control or keep track of where the cards are going. Now, 3 does not divide into the packet size here, which is 14, right? So dividing into 3 piles really does begin to randomize the cards well. Okay, let's just do it again here. In fact, I'll show you again that the cards are now extremely well mixed, as you can see for yourself. Okay, and why don't we do a third and final time? We don't want to put you to sleep, but these cards are just beyond the knowledge of anybody here. Okay, now I'm going to let you in on a little secret in card history. Perhaps the luckiest number in card history is the number 21, and you may know why that's the case. Now, the number 21 consists of 2 digits. A 2, 1, 2 in the tens place, and a 1, 1 in the ones place, okay? And what I have found is if I use the essence of that number 21 in any card effect, amazing and unbelievable outcomes occur. Okay, so let me just show you here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just use something called the Klondike Shuffle. This is a well-known shuffle. I'll just Klondike pairs into different piles here, like this. Maybe we'll come up here now, and then down here, then over here. Okay, so I just want you to think about all of the mixing that we've done. In some sense, inputted the lucky number 21 into the routine, and I'm claiming that that has a magical effect on the outcome of the routine. Well, let's just see if that's true. Now, off to the side in camera view the whole time, I've had a written prediction. Okay, so let's just take a look at what the written prediction says. All pairs will add to 21. Okay, so there's our magical and lucky number 21. Well, let's see if that's the case. Hard to believe that all of these add up to 21. Let's see, a jack is an 11, plus 10, 21. That's looking good. Oh, let's see, king 13 plus 8 is 21. That's correct. Queen is a 12 plus 9 is 21. And then ace is a 1. Those do not add up to 21. Okay, so we have 3 out of 4. Correct. Let's see, a joker. Oh, wait, this actually works, doesn't it? Because we designated the joker as a 14. And 14 plus 7 is 21. Okay, pulled out of a nosedive there, and then we went right back into a nosedive and a third nosedive. Okay, well, we got many of them to add up to 21, but certainly not all. Oh, yeah, there's an exception here. Except for 3 pairs. Is that what we had? 1, 2, 3 of these 7 pairs do not add up to 21. That's unfortunate. Oh, but we know what they add up to, which will add up to perhaps second luckiest number, the number 7. Is that true? See, ace is a 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 and a 5, of course, add up to 7, and a 3 and a 4 certainly add up to 7. We nailed every phase of this written prediction, despite the randomizing of the cards. throughout this procedure. Okay, wow, how did we do that? Well, you just do everything that I did. You will always get this outcome, where 4 of these will in fact add to 21, and 3 of them will add to 7, which are both very fortuitous values to achieve in any card routine. So I appreciate you watching, and I encourage you to take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.